We help clients every day mitigate a potential catastrophic incident. It's the nature of our business. We don't get a, hey, can you quote this removal job or this removal and reinstallation job, or can you go out there and manage this asset? Give us a number, go do it. It's like, no, 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 hold on. Like, why did this happen? Why is it happening? Let's talk about a carport at a school, right? Hey, we got modules that are broken and they're arcing and because they forget about the one baseball that hits it. That's a simple, you go repair it, take the panel out. Which by the way, we don't do that. So don't call us. We're not an O&M company, right? There's plenty of O&M companies. I'm just giving you an example. Where what we do is that we have a large scale, say 500 kW system on a school, multiple carports, 14-year-old system. The modules have degraded. Either the J boxes are falling off and the diodes are being rusted out. And so we need to go in and basically what we call string harvesting is let's remove 200 modules that are good, take that section off, and then we're going to go use those to replace around the site, sometimes around the district. If it's multiple schools, you see that a lot, right? Like a school district will typically roll out the exact same system modules, usually with the same developer, 4, 5, 7 schools, which makes it a little easier to constrain. So we take those 200 panels and then we go and replace surgically like real bad modules around the rest of the campus, and then we bring in brand new modules that fit the dimensions and close to characteristics. Try to install them into its own individual MPP so that it doesn't degrade the rest of the system. That can get a little tricky sometimes. And so these are six-figure repairs, right? Like that's really what we're good at. But it's more like looking like, okay, well, hold on, there's going to be students up and down the street here. This is a high school. Like these kids think they're invincible, and it doesn't matter what constraints you put out. Like they got one mission, and that's I don't know, to get home, like they're not thinking about anything else. So let's make sure we have constraints so that that doesn't happen. What are we doing with these bad modules? Are we just going to let anyone take them? No, we have to get them certifiably destroyed, which is recycled, so that someone doesn't install them on grandma's house. Grandma's house is burns down. They track the serial number, and now it's me and you sitting in the courthouse trying to explain how we let grandma take a panel that we knew that was bad, right? Think about a target having to explain that. So yeah, we help clients every day mitigate risk, right? Even on an employee level, technician level, we use a lot of partners, subcontractors around the country to help us do this work because they're local, they're regional, right? And so we keep costs down. They also know the area, they know the AHJ, and so all that helps. And usually we try to target like companies that are like 10, 20 employees because they have the expertise, they have a solid crew, right? We vet them, we qualify them, we interview them, and then we also monitor the progress to make sure that all of the safety infrastructure is in place from mobilization to demobilization and clean out. Like we take full responsibility of safety output. So we help clients every day mitigate risk and safety.